Hi everyone, welcome. This is StardustttLV and today we're gonna do a double unboxing. And I got this 2 boxes, and I guess let's open this big box first. So this one is from the respected consignment shop that I found on Instagram, and I'm gonna put in the description down below because the transaction went really smooth, and this is in like new condition. The owner was able to use this for only 2 hours, and it came with a box and a receipt as well, together with the dust bag. And let's open this. So I've been looking for this item for a long time, and it's always unavailable online and in the store. And when I found it selling from a consignment shop, I didn't hesitate to get it. And this is it, guys. And it's a nice mini, and it is so cute. And as you can see, it is really in excellent condition. I was able to save from this one because I only got this for $825, and I know that this is now selling for $900. So this has a 2019 date code, and the receipt that came with it, it was bought on December 10, 2019. The owner of this paid $725, and I got this for $825, which is now selling for $900. So not bad. Price is negotiable for me, as it is very hard to find this nice mini in the website and in the store. And it's really cute. It has this small pocket here at the back, and this is made in Italy. This is really in excellent condition. So I cannot wait to play with this and put a twilly in here and attach the chain. And I am so happy that I was able to find this finally, as I really like the size and the look of it. I also like the new vanity that came out with the nice chain strap from Louis Vuitton that's cost way more. I also heard that this one is more like has a structure and thickness to it than that one. So anyways, this is also a good entry. If I will be able to like the shape of the vanity, then maybe I can add that one in the future. But for now, I'm so happy with this, and I will just figure out how to attach the strap here. That way I will be able to use this also as a handbag, aside from bringing this with me whenever there's a chance for me to travel. So that's it with this nice mini, and it's so cute. So happy to have this. And the next box, we're gonna open it. Okay, the next box came with this receipt, and let's open it. I know, guys, this is such a hard time right now to be unboxing, but this is my distraction as well, and this is my last day off. Tomorrow I'll be working again to attend to my patient. So I hope you won't take it like against that I'm just like opening. So let's open it, guys. And this is it. And this is the Tigerama coin card holder. So Tigerama in coin card holder is the name of this one, and this is in Taiga leather. And Taiga leather, I learned, is a Saffiano leather that they put a print to it to give its texture. And I also learned that this is scratch resistant. and this is in beautiful shade of blue. Blue is my favorite color, and it has this 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots, and it has another slip pocket here. And also I love the silver hardware zipper pull that it has, and inside has this opening here, and it looks like this for the barcode. And I like that it has like a gusset here, so you can put more stuff inside. This is just so cute, guys. So comparing it with my Chanel card holder, so it's a little longer than the regular card holder, so it looks like this side to side. So this is what it looks like up close, and it is a pretty shade of blue. Slots look darker than the one that has a print on, and this is pretty durable, guys, and the glazing really looks so good on each sides. And I love this zipper pull in silver hardware. At the back, it looks like this. Also love the lining, the blue lining inside. It's like a pretty shade of light blue. And this is what the barcode looks like. So pretty, guys. This is what it looks like when you hold it. This will fit a Chanel mini and also a Chanel mini reissue, and it's hard to fit inside this nano, so it won't actually fit the nano. It will fit definitely my Palm Springs mini, and also here, and also my bum bag, which I think I'll just not use my nano whenever I use this. And this is just a perfect shade for summer, and I really like it. I love it. Actually, I've been eyeing this for a long time, and it's also always out of stock, and the color that is available is this blue. I also like the dark blue. It's like a navy blue. This light blue color is also perfect and very pretty, and will be a nice wallet to use on summertime. So that's it, guys. I know it's such a hard time right now, and social distancing and self-quarantine are very important for us not to spread this virus. And if I'm not working, I'm just staying at home. So you all take care, and may God bless us all. And I am praying and hoping that this crisis will soon pass. Till next time, bye.